Ancient history. Sundiata Keita, the Lion King of Mali in the 13th century. A child was born in the Kingdom of Mali. His name was Sundiata Keita. As a boy, he was weak, unable to walk, mocked by many. But destiny had chosen him. When enemies invaded and his family was cast out, Sundiata rose from exile. He gathered allies, forged armies, and returned to claim his birthright. At the Battle of Karina in 1235, Sundiata defeated the powerful sorcerer king, Samangiru Kante. That victory marked the beginning of the Mali Empire, one of the greatest kingdoms in African history. Under his rule, Mali became vast, wealthy, and respected. Sundiata united diverse peoples, built trade networks, and laid the foundations for an empire that would later flourish under his successors. His legend lived on in epic stories told by griots, the oral historians of West Africa, who named him the Lion King of Mali. Sundiata Keita's story is proof that even the weakest beginnings can rise to shape empires. True strength lies not in where you start, but in the courage to claim your destiny.